Okay, so got a Roam, putting a torque sensor in, and it's exactly the same part as what was in there, but as I screw in drive side, and we're still many threads away, I've got so much compression in here that the cranks are not loose anymore for turning. It's not right. So I'm not going to persevere with 40 Newton meters on that. It's just going to lock up the crank. What I don't know is why. And what I also don't know is, was the prior part that Green Jersey Mechanics put in here also suffering the same problem? Actually, does this bike need a different torque sensor altogether? It's just as if it's the wrong size. So I'll do a measure, but if you can think of another reason why tightening that is going to compress that torque sensor and stop it rotating, I'd love to know. It's a simple part. Anyway, that's the issue I'm having.